morning, everyone. It's a Friday. We're headed down to a place called Grove City, Ohio. And in Grove City is a state-of-the-art brand new Phantom Fireworks. We're going to go purchase some fireworks for our annual 4th of July party. I know many of you out there that's going to see this video actually come to the 4th of July party, so I'll give you a little example of what we're going to be shooting off this year, which every year has been impressive, but we're going to see if we can't make this another impressive year. So we'll go in here. We've got some deals going. Phantom Fireworks has been putting out some pretty good deals. Let me show you here. Okay, so that's buy one get two free. That obviously is a pretty good deal. I got to admit, we've already made one trip down to Phantom Fireworks. We bought over $2,000 in fireworks, but that was the price for one, but we got two free, so we got 3 times the amount of fireworks for the price of one. And they've come out with a new coupon in their book for buy one get two free, so we're going to take advantage of that and make this an even more exciting year to watch fireworks at Auto Inspection Service. Alright, I'll see you when we get to the store. Isn't this a state-of-the-art store? Just look at all these fireworks. Okay, we're looking at buy one get two free at $259.99, and these are the mortars, 9 shots in each one. So we're going to go ahead and load up 3 boxes of these. Okay, we made it back from Phantom Fireworks. I wanted to show everyone our supply for this year's 4th of July party. And again, this was buy one get two free. So earlier I mentioned we spent roughly $2,200 the first time, and another $600 this time. So $800 got you everything you see here. And with the buy one get two free, we've got over $7,000 worth of actual inventory here. So with that being said, I hope you're going to enjoy the 4th of July party. I know that we've been doing this for over 20 years. Yes, it's an expense, and we haven't even talked about buying the brats and the burgers and the buns and all the condiments. But all that comes to, but we just enjoy celebrating the 4th of July, United States' independence from Britain. and it's a pretty big thing here in the U.S. today. So as a veteran and an American, I'm just proud to be an American and support the 4th of July. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the show for those of you who are coming out.